Take a ride in the 2017 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles. Inside you'll find trip computer, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.